Hi and welcome back. This video is about understanding two fundamental concepts in programming, variables and constants. We'll dive into what they are, how they work, and why they are important in your Arduino projects. Variables are like storage boxes in your code. They hold data that can change as your program runs. For instance, if you're tracking temperature readings, you store these readings in a variable. Here we declare a variable named temperature of type int, which is short for integer, and then assign it a value of 25. Constants, on the other hand, are like variables, but the value remains unchanged once set. They are perfect for values that you know will never change, like the pin number of an LED to which it's connected to. We use the const keyword to declare a constant named LED pin and assign it the value 13, which is the pin number of the built-in LED on most Arduino boards. Now that we know what variables and constants are, let's see them in action. In this example, we'll use a variable counter to track the number of times that the LED blinks and a constant blink interval to set the time between blinks. And that wraps up our introduction to variables and constants. You'll be using both in the experiments later in this series. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Happy making, and I'll see you in the next video.